Hello guys, a very good morning to all of you. Today I'll be talking about the Krebs cycle. It is also known as the citric acid cycle or the tricarboxylic acid cycle. It takes place in the mitochondria and in aerobic conditions only. In the first step, pyruvate is changed to acetyl-CoA by the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. Thiamine acts as a coenzyme in this reaction and NAD plus changes to NADH plus H plus. In the second step, acetyl-CoA is changed to citrate by the enzyme citrate synthetase. An oxaloacetate takes place in this reaction. There is elimination of one molecule of CoA with thiocyanate group. In the third step, citrate is changed to cis-aconitate by the enzyme aconitase. In this reaction, one molecule of water goes out. In the next step, 6-aconitate, which is a 6-carbon compound, is changed to isocitrate by the same enzyme aconitase, and there is removal of a water molecule. The following step uses the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase to convert isocitrate into oxalosuccinate. Here NAD plus is converted into NADH plus H plus. Oxalosuccinate is also a 6-carbon compound which is generated from isocitrate. Oxalocitrate is converted to alpha ketoglutarate by the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. In this reaction, one molecule of carbon dioxide goes out, thus a 6-carbon compound is changed to a 5-carbon compound. In the next step, alpha ketoglutarate is changed to succinyl-CoA by the enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Here also one molecule of carbon dioxide goes out and the reaction changes NAD plus into NADH plus H plus. The next step is the conversion of succinyl-CoA to succinate by the enzyme succinate thiokinase. Here one molecule of GDP, that is guanosine diphosphate, changes to guanosine triphosphate. This is also known as a substrate level phosphorylation, as ATP can be synthesized from this GTP. In the next step, succinate is changed to fumarate by the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. Here one molecule of FAD is changed to FADH plus H plus. Now fumarate can be used in the urea cycle. Coming back to the Krebs cycle, fumarate is changed to alpha malate by the enzyme fumarase. Here one molecule of water goes out. In the next step, alpha malate is changed to oxaloacetate by the enzyme malate dehydrogenase. Thus we get back the oxaloacetate which was first used in the primary reaction. In the last reaction, NAD plus is changed to NADH plus H plus. Now there are some specific points regarding this Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle takes place in the aerobic conditions only in the mitochondria. There is a cells lacking mitochondria cannot do Krebs cycle. The various uses of the Krebs cycle are: citrate can be used for the synthesis of pyruvate and lactate. Oxaloacetate can be used for the synthesis of porphyrins and heme. Alpha ketoglutarate can be used to trap the excess ammonia to convert it into glutamate and then to glutamate and then to glutamine. Now regarding these reactions, citrate synthetase acts as the PET setting enzyme or the rate limiting enzyme. The various reactions in this Krebs cycle that are irreversible are catalyzed by citrate synthetase, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase and isocitrate dehydrogenase. These reactions are irreversible in nature. Another thing about this pathway is it is also known as the anaprotic pathway. That is, the various products synthesized in this reaction are of biological importance, and depletion of any of the products in this pathway can lead to stoppage of the Krebs cycle. It is also known as the amphibolic pathway because here acetyl-CoA is broken down into carbon dioxide and water, and on the other hand various products of biological importance are synthesized in this cycle. Now coming to the ATP generation, in this cycle we see 3 molecules of NADH plus H plus in the reactions like isocitrate being converted to oxaloacetate, alpha ketoglutarate being converted to succinyl-CoA, and alpha malate being converted to oxaloacetate. These 3 molecules of NADH plus H plus can give rise to 9 molecules of ATP. 1 molecule of FADH3 is synthesized from the conversion of succinate to fumarate, which leads to the formation of the 2 molecules of ATP, and 1 molecule of ATP can be synthesized by the substrate level phosphorylation, which leads to a total number of 12 molecules of ATP from 1 molecule of acetyl-CoA. This was all I had to say about the Krebs cycle. Thank you guys.